what's going on? We just made it here to Hoi An. We're going to be here for the next 3 days, and we want to know whether it's all it's cracked up to be or whether it's just hype. Everyone said it's the best place to be. Friends, family, taxi drivers, locals, everyone. So we're going to be checking out all the best places to eat. We're going to be seeing what there is to do, and just going to take in the culture. So far though, it's hot as hell. People are walking absolutely everywhere.
We're the most touristy place.
It's definitely the most touristy place, yeah, I agree. It's definitely the most touristy place. Most of the places we've been to have been like 90% plus locals. It's like 50-50 here. And it seems like it might be a little bit on the pricey side. First things first, we need to find somewhere to get some food because there's no breeze, it's hot, and we need aircon. So let's go. Currently in Hong Phuc. I'm really trying not to get cancelled here. We got lured in for 2 reasons. 1, aircon. 2, the guy said there's loads of specialty local dishes. We looked on the menu, checks out. So we've ordered the chicken rice, which loads of people have been talking about. We've ordered
the Vietnamese pancake, well, Hoi An pancake. So there might be a twist on it, who knows. Shopping centre.
What is that?
It's in Leeds.
Okay, we ordered the White Rose, which made Kate bust out in a song about a shopping centre in Leeds.
Don't put that in.
I'm putting it in. And 2 beers. And the beers are 90p.
That's really nice.
I don't know what that sauce is, but it's so nice.
This view kicked off the food section of Hoi An in spectacular fashion. With our stomachs full, we were ready to continue wandering the beautiful streets of the old town in search of some hidden gems and perhaps even some dessert.
So far, the main difference in terms of this city versus the other cities we've been to in Vietnam, that I'm noticing anyway, is that there really isn't any traffic because the main areas are pedestrianised. So if you want to walk along the sort of central areas down by the river and all the streets that are off of there, you just walk. You're not worried about crossing roads, getting knocked down by stuff. It's fully made for exploring.
What I really like here are all the very cute shops. There's so many shops. Lots of tailors, lots of other stuff.
Found an authentically Vietnamese shop, apparently, with a load of local produce. I guess it's like a Vietnamese farm shop equivalent.
Do you want to try some tea and cake?
Yeah, why not?
What is the tea?
They're artichoke tea. So you want to try it together? The mung bean cake.
Oh, that's nice.
What is this? Is it artichoke?
I feel like it's an artichoke. I don't know.
I don't know how this. I mean, it's really nice. It just doesn't. Like, I wouldn't taste this and be like, oh my god, yeah, artichoke. It's so nice. When I came out to Vietnam, I could be in Italy. Before we get into day 2, we just want to acknowledge the beautiful hotel we stayed at, situated right on the river with a newly renovated bar, with plenty of seating to watch the boats go by. The food was delicious and the facilities were top notch. We'll leave a link in the description of this video.
Everyone said that we couldn't go to Hoi An without heading out of the city and taking a relaxing ride on the coconut boats. Luckily, the guy at the laundromat next to our hotel said he knew someone. It sounded sketchy at first, but we're so glad we trusted him.
She'll take care of you.
Okay, thank you.
Today.
Hi, well, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
fine.
thank
I
you,
give
thank
for
you.
your daughter for the welcome, and you can go that way. And when he move the boat, that way too, and you enjoy.
Oh, okay, great, thank you.
Where are you from?
From London.
London.
Yes.
Yes. How long do you stay here?
For 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah,
Oh,
3 days.
long one.
Yeah, 3 days.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
In the Hoi An.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the first time you come here also?
Yes, first time.
Vietnam, yes.
Yeah, first time come
We
here.
arrived how long ago now?
We arrived about 10 days ago, maybe?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, 10 days, yeah.
This
Yeah.
one your holiday?
Yeah, it's our honeymoon.
Oh, honeymoon. Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you.
I hope you have a great time in your honeymoon.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Lovely to meet you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. When you go in the boat, in
Uh-huh.
the river, you can take a photo for sure.
Yeah, yeah,
Also.
yeah, that'll be so nice. Thank you. Great, so we just wait here, yeah?
Yes.
Cool, thank you. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Can you help me translate for the Google?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
After you can wait.
It's cool that you can see like all the way along. You've got these restaurants and these bars. But my guy here is transporting some kind of electronic. That is a speaker. As you can see, we're here today doing the coconut boat tour. We wanted to see if it is worthwhile. So far, it's real cool, man. We're just out here on the river, just bobbing along in a little coconut. You see all these other people doing it as well. It's lit. It's very different. Never been in a boat this shaped before. Xin chào. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào.
People are raving up
Some
there.
people, some people are raving. They've got music playing. It's going off. I want to know how you get on the rave boat. So we found out what the party is for. We found out what's the party is going on. Seem to be coming to an area where all the boats are spinning around, and I feel like we're about to be spinning too. It's just a phenomenal. Like, a man's got a whole computer set up. Like, he's got a Dell XP 2003 set up in the water. In the water. Processing photos that have been taken by someone else who is also in the water. Don't ever let anybody tell you that you can't do something, because if you can have a successful photography business, you can have a computer, you can do a whole dance concert in the water on a coconut boat. You can do whatever you want in this life. If I'm never seen again, if you don't hear from us, this is why. Oh.
Yeah.
What is this?
Okay. Come on. Alright, we're fishing. Suddenly, we're fishing. My fishing is not going well. It's my first time fishing ever. I give myself a 1 out of 10. At this point, our captain had gone suspiciously quiet, which was somewhat alarming given that he was wielding a knife and we were in a random remote cove. But we should have trusted the process, as he'd been an absolute legend all day, and this was no different. Wow, you're so pretty. Oh, for me?
Got one.
Oh, wow.
New hat day.
Camera
Wow.
photo.
Thank you.
Wow. That's so fun. Looking hot.
Cheese. You're like a queen. Come on.
Clean.
That's nice. Yeah, you put it back into nature, because we care about the planet on this channel.
Coconut.
Oh wow.
Coconut.
Oh, that's like the sea.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, my fat ass weighing down the boat. I don't know what's happening right now, but we're moving. Bomba clap. Me I go get seasick. Back in Hoi An, some random guy pulled us over with scratch cards, which we participated in and won a week for 2, all expenses paid, in a 5-star hotel. How lucky. Psych, it was a timeshare. Didn't even know these still existed. Scam attempt number 1 of 2 in this video. The coconut boat was such good fun. Really good fun. And also the guy we had was just the best. I mean, he didn't speak English, we obviously don't speak Vietnamese, but it really didn't matter at all. It was just such a good vibe. Now, we're on the way to find some lunch. We're gonna go to the Central Market because that seems to have loads of places to eat. I've seen it before and it looks awesome. We're at Cafe 25, which is right next to the Central Market. So you can look at all the stuff that's going on. Really nice, really nice. We've ordered fried wontons. I've ordered the khao lao, and
I got a banh mi, which I want to eat just every day.
everyday banh mi is not a problem. Do it. It's affordable, it's tasty. Why would you change it up? So far, food's been excellent, no complaints, and it's super cheap. Beers are 60p, the khao lao and the banh mi was like £1.20. What are we doing? We're just walking away from the market. We spotted this place, Seven Bridges Brewing Co. It seems like everywhere has some sort of happy hour, whether it's happy hour on food, happy hour on drinks, happy hour on spa treatments. You can get happy hour any time of the day, somewhere in Hoi An. And I think a lot of people have said that the best time of day to be here is at night because of all the lanterns and stuff. But even like we've had a great day just walking around. And on top of that, I actually think the best time is sort of the sunset. Sort of.
Golden hour.
Yeah, literally. Golden hour is beautiful here. All the streets that you look down have the sunset. You can see the sun perfectly in the middle, looking down the river as well. Yeah, it's amazing. We're at this place now, Quan Cao Baili. Now, Cao Lao is a dish that's native to Hoi An, and everyone says you have to get it. I had it for lunch, but this place has got the name in the title. You can't name your restaurant after a dish and it'd be dead, so we gotta try it. How do I own this still?
Very good, thank you. We rounded off a successful day 2 by taking in the electric nightlife by the riverside. Live music everywhere and all the venues facing towards the lantern boats on the river. In hindsight, maybe this was a warning of what was to come.
Last day in Hoi An today. Last night was a lot of fun. We randomly stumbled across this khao lao spot. I can't lie, the khao lao was good. It was really good. It was a good size as well. But I don't think it was as good as the one I had for lunch. And the one I had for lunch was cheaper. So yeah, make of that what you will. Right now, we're heading to find some brunch. There's a spot
Healthy
that...
brunch.
Is it healthy, yeah?
Well, I feel like it looks healthy.
Say less. So on the way to find some healthy brunch. And then after that, we're gonna have a spa day. I'm trying to get a pedicure, I can't lie. Can't be walking around with crusty feet.
We headed to a beautiful place called Buttercup for brunch. It was absolutely buzzing with people and the food looked great, so we wasted no time in ordering. After 2 smoothie bowls and a breakfast bagel that gives New York bagels some serious competition, we prepared ourselves for an epic spa crawl.
Just left Relaxy Spa.
Feeling relaxy?
We got a foot massage each, half an hour. And then we got a back, neck and shoulders each, half an hour as well. And it came to £30. There's 15 per person. It was truly amazing. So now, obviously you've heard of a bar crawl. We're doing a spa crawl.
Pedicure time.
So it's time to catch a pedicure. We're on our way now to another spot. And we're gonna review that too. This one's called Bloom. If you've never done it before, fully recommend a spa crawl.
I feel like we're walking on clouds right now. So zen.
Toes are peng. You won't get to see them because there's no free feet on this channel. Gotta pay extra for that. But yeah, amazing. And all for substantially cheaper than if we tried to get that done back home. So it's lit. The very last thing we need to do in Hoi An, of course, is get one of the lantern boats. We've been putting it off since we got here. We've run out of time, so we need to do it. The sun isn't...
I mean, people have pestered us enough to do it, so
yeah, and now we actually... You know,
but it does look very cute, so I think it'd be nice.
Yes, I agree. This is where things went wrong. We were so excited to find someone we'd spoken to earlier who said he'd take us all the way down the river. It's all good. We found my guy from earlier. Man, like, jeez. But it was only after he'd taken our money that he said his boat was too big and we'd need a smaller boat for the full experience. So we got a partial refund and found the right boat. This is incredibly peaceful. There's hella boats, everyone's just chilling. Everyone's just enjoying. Everyone's just relaxing, taking in the scenes, all the lights. The clearance on this bridge is looking a bit mad. I might lose my head here still. I don't know what homeboy behind is gonna do. He's just rowing through it. This is crazy. Good thing we did yoga the other day because this position is mad.
Good thing we had that massage. Don't burn the boat down.
I hope they find each other. After an epic boat ride, we were starving, and what better place for our final meal than the OG of Hoi An, Morning Glory. This menu, extensive. The ambiance, vibrant, and everything we ate was the best version of that thing that we'd had in Vietnam. This place was a solid 10/10, and you must add it to the list for visiting Hoi An. Morning Glory, grow up. Morning Glory.
As in the restaurant,
The
not
restaurant.
the dish.
Was peng. Very good restaurant. I think probably the best food we've had since we've been here. Maybe the best food we've had in Vietnam so far.
Yes, probably.
Yeah.
Very extensive menu and everything looked unreal.
Yeah, the
so it made
menu's
it
so
difficult
big.
to choose.
And reasonably priced as well. It was
£23.
£23.
For 2 starters, 2 mains, soft drinks.
And a side salad.
Yes.
So yeah, go to Morning Glory. And that's it. That is a wrap on Hoi An. When we came, I was a bit skeptical because first of all, there were just a lot of people straight away, which normally is a bit of a red flag. And I felt like maybe there were going to be just a lot of tourist traps and that it was going to be really hard to enjoy the place. But we haven't struggled to eat anywhere that we've wanted to eat. Apart from right by the river, it's actually really nice to walk around. The further you go out, the better. From the centre.
Quality-wise.
Yeah.
Probably price-wise.
Yeah.
And less busy.
Exactly. Now, is it overrated? I'd say absolutely not.
No.
It's so cute to walk around. It's actually...
Every corner is cute.
It's beautiful. It's like a movie set. Kate said cute about 153 times in the first day.
Yes, and continue to do so in the next 2 days.
So, definitely
It's cute. Come.
get yourself down here. Enjoy it. You got all the recommendations. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and as always, safe.